Assalamu alaikum, this is Maria Salim and you are watching my channel Urdu with Maria Salim. Today I am going to tell you about Edexcel A-Level Paper 2 Translation into Urdu and Written Response to Works. This is our written examination, 2 hours and 40 minutes. The assessment is out of 110 marks, contributing 30% of the total qualification. Dictionaries and documentation relating to the works are not allowed in this examination. To solve the paper, please use black ink or ballpoint pen. There are 3 sections to this paper: Section A, Translation into Urdu, and Section B and Section C, Written Response to Works. Section A draws on vocabulary and structures from any of the sub-themes within the 4 themes. Theme 1, पाकिस्तानी मुआशरे का इर्तिका. थीम 2, उर्दू बोलने वाली दुनिया में तमद्दुन और फ़नून लतीफ़ा. थीम 3, हिजरत, तर्क वतन और कसीरुल सकाफ़ती मुआशरा. थीम 4, पाकिस्तानी सियासत के रुख. Section B and C draws on the study of 2 discrete Urdu works, either 2 literary texts or 1 literary text and 1 film. The work must be taken from the list provided in syllabus. Dear teachers and students, the works must be taken from this list. Literary text novel Angan by Khadija Mastoor 1999. Essays पतरस के मज़ामीन by अहमद शाह पतरस बुखारी 2011. फर्स्ट, सवेरे जो कल आँख मेरी खुली. सेकंड, उर्दू की आखिरी किताब. थर्ड, मुरीदपुर का पीर. फोर्थ, मरहूम की याद में. फिफ्थ, लाहौर का जोग्राफिया. प्ले बिसात by बासिर काज़मी 1987. फिल्म्स बिन रॉय by मोमिना दुरैत 2015. बागबान by रवि चोपड़ा 2003. बजरंगी भाईजान by कबीर खान 2015. For section A, translation into Urdu, recommended timing is 30 minutes. Total marks are 20. Students are given one unseen text in English and they must translate it into Urdu. For section B and C, written response to works, recommended time is 2 hours and 10 minutes. Total marks are 90. Student must write 2 essays selected from section B, literary text, or 1 selected from section B, literary text, and 1 from section C, films. There will be a choice of 2 questions from each literary text and film. As a guide, I advise students to write approximately 320 to 370 words for each essay in order to give a detailed analysis of the works, although the whole essay will be marked regardless of length. Students should justify points of view, arguments, and conclusion with evidence from the work. Students are expected to provide a critical and analytical response by selecting relevant material from the works, presenting and justifying point of view, developing arguments, drawing conclusion based on understanding, and evaluating different aspects of the work studied. No credit will be given for essays on literary texts that are based on film versions adopted from the literary texts. Evidence given in the essay to justify point of view and arguments must be based on the original literary text. All questions will be set in Urdu and must be answered in Urdu. In this paper, please indicate which question you are answering by marking a cross in the given box. If you change your mind, put a line through the box and then indicate your new question with a cross. The recommended timings have been given to enable a student to complete each section in sufficient time. If you want to know the paper 2 marking criteria, please wait for the next video. Thank you.